Shots fired. Shots fired. He's going again.
13, heading southbound. On 146. Shots fired. Fucking stop! The fucking... Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired! Stop! 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 Shots fired. He's going again.
13, heading southbound. 146. Shots fired. I'm going again. 13, heading southbound. 146. Shots fired.
Put it in park! Don't fucking move! Put it in park! Don't fucking move! Put it in park! 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 No, it's not! Put it in park! It's in park! She's stuck! Get it in reverse! I got it in reverse! Reverse! Get out of the way! Hey, get out of the way! Get out of the way! I gotta go this way! I gotta get off her! You got her? Alright, we're good!
No more guys. No more guys. Get the rescue. We're going to throw a shot here.
Good? Good? You good? Yeah, I'm good.
Just like we have a suspect shot. Get it?
Nice shot. Just so you know.
A Street, A. Dispatch, A Street. A Street in front of the hospital. A Street.
Hey, is she okay? Is she okay?
You okay? Okay, we got you. Yeah, she's good.
All right.
She's just on the sidewalk. Yeah.
Hey, let's put this cars. We do rescuing. Move this cars, please.
We got him. You good? We got him. What do you want, bro?
We're on Dudley Street. Everybody, move your cars. Move your cars out of the way.
Move the cars out of the way. Make sure there's a path.
We're on Dudley. Right around the hospital, Maria. One adult male gunshot victim coming in.
Look at me. Oh, this way. We're good. I got you. Reverse. Get out of the way. Guys, go there. Guys, go. That way. Go this way. You have to go that way. I got it. You okay?
Roll on your face.
Get on your stomach.
No.
We got to throw a shot here.
Guys, hold on. Is she in the car or is she on the sidewalk? Hold on. She's on the sidewalk. Hold on.
Dispatch, we have a suspect shot. Get it?
Right. You okay? Look at me. Tell me what's wrong.
Nothing. Just my leg.
Okay.
Dispatch, Gay Street. Gay Street in front of the hospital. Gay Street.
You okay? You okay?
Okay, we got you. Yeah, she's good. She's just a little.
Just on the sidewalk?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Hey, look at me. Do you need a rescue?
You hurt? Your legs hurt?
Okay.
Alright.
Let's clear the road here.
Guys, do me a favor. Start a crime scene. Start a crime scene on both ends.
Everybody, move your bars. Move your bars out of the way.
I need a second. I need a second rescue, guys.
I'm coming in.
No, she was crushed between the fence and the thing, but everyone's talking. Road 1, I need a second rescue for a bystander who was pinned between the vehicle and a fence.